In this video, you'll learn how to log into your eBay seller account and discover effective selling tips and tricks. This guide will help you navigate the eBay platform to enhance the selling experience and boost your sales. Start by opening the official eBay website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the sign in option, which is usually positioned at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to proceed. After that, a new login form will appear, prompting you to enter your registered email address or username along with your password. Ensure that your login details are accurate to avoid any access issues. Once you enter the information, click the sign in button to complete the process. After a moment, you should be redirected to your account dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your selling activities. After logging in successfully, take a moment to navigate to the Seller Hub or Dashboard section of your account. This area provides a comprehensive overview of your selling activity on eBay. Here, you can view your active listings, monitor recent orders, and check any messages from buyers. The dashboard also includes important performance metrics, such as sales trends and customer feedback ratings. Regularly reviewing these details is crucial as it allows you to identify areas for improvement in your selling strategies and respond promptly to any customer inquiries. Once you're familiar with the dashboard, it's time to focus on enhancing your selling approach. Start by creating clear and compelling product titles that accurately describe your items. Upload high-quality images that showcase your products effectively, as visuals play a significant role in attracting potential buyers. Detailed descriptions are equally important. They should provide all necessary information about the item, including its condition and features. Competitive pricing is key, so consider researching similar items to ensure your prices are appealing. Additionally, providing accurate shipping details can further entice buyers. Monitoring competitor listings and analyzing sold items can also help refine your pricing strategy. By understanding market trends, you can adjust your prices to remain competitive. Quick responses to customer questions not only build trust, but also enhance the overall buyer experience. Consistently applying these selling tips will help increase your sales and improve your seller reputation over time, making your eBay selling journey more successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.